Hi guys, Costa here from Vermont Sales. Being out in the trade, I often notice a lot of the individuals don't make use of all the accessories provided in their TS55 sustainer. I'm more so referring to the splinter guard provided. This is where the magic happens. The machine, however, does come with a clear one. My recommendation, replace it. Simply take it off, replace it with the one provided. Don't forget to lock it down in place. When your machine's nice and flat, just remember to adjust it all the way down to the surface, lock it in place. You want to cut into your splinter guard exactly the same way you're going to cut into your splinter guard on your guard rail. As easy as that. What this is going to do, it's going to give you a perfect splinter-free cut on your right-hand side, also known as your cutoff. I hope this has helped. Stay tuned for the next episode.